Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
WhatsApp Business Platform for Developers, Lecture 3. In this lecture, we will learn about API integration and message templates. Introduction: WhatsApp Business API endpoints, message types, implementing message templates, handling message delivery status. Conclusion. Introduction. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today to learn about API integration and message templates for the WhatsApp Business API. As businesses continue to rely on digital communication, it's important to understand how to effectively communicate with customers through messaging platforms like WhatsApp. In this presentation, we'll be discussing the different endpoints available for WhatsApp Business API integration, as well as the various message types that can be sent through the platform. We'll also be exploring the benefits and limitations of each message type and providing examples of when they are most appropriate. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a solid understanding of how to implement these strategies in your own business to enhance customer communication and streamline your messaging processes. WhatsApp Business API endpoints. There are several endpoints available for integrating the WhatsApp Business API into your business. These endpoints include sending messages, receiving messages, managing contacts, and managing groups. Each endpoint has its own unique features and capabilities that can be used to enhance communication with customers. For example, the Send Message endpoint allows businesses to send text messages, images, and documents to their customers, while the Receive Message endpoint enables businesses to receive and respond to customer messages in real time. Message types. There are several types of messages that can be sent through the WhatsApp Business API, each with its own benefits and limitations. Text messages are the most common and versatile message type, allowing businesses to send personalized messages to customers. They are also cost-effective and easy to create. However, they have a character limit of 160 characters per message, which can be limiting for longer messages. Images and documents can also be sent through the WhatsApp Business API, providing businesses with more creative options for communicating with customers. Images can be used to showcase products or services, while documents can be used to provide detailed information or instructions. However, these message types may require more time and resources to create and may not be as cost-effective as text messages. Implementing message templates. Message templates are a crucial component of automated notifications on the WhatsApp Business API. They allow businesses to streamline communication with customers by providing pre-approved message formats that can be easily customized and sent in response to common queries or requests. A typical message template consists of several key elements, including the message type text, image, document, etc., the message content, and any relevant placeholders or variables that can be dynamically populated with customer-specific information. By using message templates, businesses can save time and improve the overall customer experience by delivering timely, personalized messages that meet their specific needs. Handling message delivery status. Tracking message delivery status is crucial for ensuring successful communication with customers through the WhatsApp Business API. By implementing message delivery status tracking, businesses can monitor the delivery of messages and take appropriate action if there are any issues. Callbacks are an important part of message delivery status tracking. When a message is sent, the WhatsApp Business API will provide a callback to the sender with information about the delivery status. Businesses can use this information to track the progress of their messages and take action if necessary. Conclusion. In conclusion, API integration and message templates play a crucial role in modern software development and communication processes. API integration allows different software systems to communicate and interact with each other, enabling the seamless exchange of data and functionalities. By integrating APIs, developers can leverage existing services and resources, saving time and effort in building everything from scratch. APIs enable applications to access and utilize external services, such as social media platforms, payment gateways, mapping services, and more. This integration enhances the overall functionality and user experience of the applications. Message templates provide a standardized and efficient way to create and send messages across various communication channels. Templates offer predefined structures and placeholders that can be dynamically filled with specific content, making it easier to generate personalized and consistent messages. This is particularly useful in scenarios where repetitive messages need to be sent to multiple recipients or when automation is required. Message templates improve efficiency, accuracy, and maintain consistency in communication, ultimately enhancing customer experience and reducing the risk of errors. API integration and message templates also contribute to the scalability and flexibility of software systems. By integrating APIs, developers can easily extend the functionality of their applications by incorporating additional services or features without reinventing the wheel. This modular approach allows for rapid development and deployment of new functionalities, making it easier to adapt to changing business requirements and technological advancements. Furthermore, message templates provide a flexible framework for adapting messages to different channels and contexts. Whether it's email, SMS, chatbots, or push notifications, templates can be tailored to suit the specific requirements and constraints of each communication channel. This ensures that the messages are delivered consistently across different platforms, maintaining the brand identity and user experience. In summary, API integration and message templates are essential components in modern software development and communication strategies. They enable seamless integration of services, enhance user experience, improve efficiency, maintain consistency, and provide scalability and flexibility. By leveraging these technologies effectively, organizations can streamline their development processes, enhance communication workflows, and deliver exceptional user experiences.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.